Whether you're trying to get more protein without using protein powder or simply trying to get as much protein in your day-to-day life as possible, there are some really good vegetables that should do the trick and make a real difference in your life. Knowing how to get more protein can be hard, and there are a lot of answers floating around. While many people think that foods high in protein are just meats and beans, there are many veggies out there that can help you reach your protein quota. If you find yourself wondering how to get more protein into your diet, then stay tuned, because for today's video, we'll be covering 14 protein-rich vegetables that will help you build muscle mass. Number 1. Edamame. Edamame is a veggie that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients. Even so, it is so often overlooked as a vegetable to add into your daily life. Per cup, there is roughly 18.5 grams of protein, making it a rich source of protein in just a very tiny amount. Edamame can be prepared in a variety of ways too, meaning that you can always spice it up and put in recipes with a bite of hotness or garlic to liven it up a tad. Number 2. Quinoa. Quinoa is a high-protein vegetable that is tied into a variety of health programs out there and is considered a healthy alternative to other grains. Quinoa has found its way into salads, burgers, and much more, and is worth more than just a source of protein. This grain is rich in antioxidants and fiber too, and should be something that you should consider adding into your grocery list even if you have no intention of bulking up. For those that do, quinoa has been adapted into a lot of athletes' day-to-day regimens and is particularly popular among football players. This healthy food has also been a famous option for how to get more protein as a vegan or vegetarian, and is the main food group found in Tom Brady's food routine. Number 3. Pistachios. Nuts just generally are a great source of protein and health boosts, and are widely recommended as a healthier alternative to potato chips. While pistachios may require some effort to crack into, they are proven to have a tremendous amount of protein per nut, making them well worth all the time it takes to get to them. Pistachios are also a versatile plant that can be found both in salads, as well as on cakes or baked into muffins or other items. Your typical cup of pistachios can have close to 6 grams of protein in them, and coupling that with their snackability makes them a good option for athletes looking to get the most out of their in-between meals. Number 4. Yellow sweet corn. Just because you're trying to build muscle mass doesn't mean that you can't still have some of the tastier foods out there. Summer in Middle America wouldn't be complete without yellow sweet corn dishes, and this favorite ingredient is also high in protein too. A single ear of corn has about 4.7 grams of protein in it, meaning that eating corn on the cob can actually help you build muscle too. Whether you're buying it fresh in the summer or frozen from the grocery store, sweet corn is a surprisingly good way for you to get some serious protein. Number 5. Avocado. Here's a high-protein vegetable that you may have known is a great food to eat in order to gain mass quickly. Avocado has been advertised as a great source of protein for vegans and has been advertised as such for years. Crushing it down to make guacamole is a really popular way that people ingest avocados. But don't worry about finding new ways to eat this vegetable, as they have become really popular as a health food. There are over 4 grams of protein in every avocado, which is why you can now find it on toast, as a dip, and in smoothies. If you already can't get enough of avocados, incorporating them as a source of protein is an easy way to add to your daily protein count. Number 6. Asparagus. People love asparagus in the springtime, where you can find it on plates with fish, bacon, and served on its own as spears. Asparagus is a very protein-rich option, sporting an impressive 4.32 grams of protein per cup. And this veggie finds its way into a whole bunch of dishes for its flavor. It shouldn't be that hard welcoming some asparagus into your own life. Number 7. Green peas. People overlook green peas for being the protein giant that it is, but it's finally time to give this veggie its followers. Green peas possess an impressive 8.6 grams of protein in every cup. These guys are absolutely jam-packed with protein, as well as 35% of your daily dose of fiber to boot. Sprinkle some green peas on your next pasta dish, or add them to a soup or salad for a shot in the arm of protein. This protein-rich vegetable can be a lifesaver in a pinch. Number 8. Potatoes. Now, potatoes are not without blame. Everyone knows that potatoes are pretty heavy in carbs, and that potato-related things like French fries are not super healthy. This starchy veggie has a little over 3 grams of protein per cup, as well as a lot of vitamin C and other nutrients too. While it may have a shaky reputation at the best of times, there is definitely some good in eating potatoes too. They are also super filling. so they're a good option if you're looking to fill up on simple carbs with a side of protein. Number 9. Spinach. If this list was just about the healthiest veggies that you could eat, then we would probably put spinach at the very top of that list. Besides boasting a strong 5.2 grams of protein per cup, spinach is also jam-packed with vitamins like A, K, and C. There's not a whole lot that eating spinach won't help with, but it's very much known for being a reliable vegetable for cultivating mass. Best of all, it's got a lot of protein per small amount, so you can almost disguise this vegetable in a soup or pasta without even noticing it's in there. Number 10. Mushrooms. If you're a vegetarian or vegan looking for a solid protein-heavy vegetable, the mushroom might be too good to pass up. In many ways, mushrooms are like meat and are commonly substituted to make sure those dishes still are nutrient and protein-heavy. If you are looking to fill out recipes, this vegetable has about 4 grams of protein per cup and can take up the bulk of your dish with ease. There are tons of benefits to overall health with mushrooms, and some even promote memory and gut health too. Mushrooms don't all taste the same, so experiment with different kinds to make sure that you're getting the right kind of high-protein mushroom for the dishes and flavor you're going for. Number 11. Kale. Kale is another choice in vegetable that has been adopted by much of the fitness and lifestyle community. Kale has been worked into salad and other kinds of dishes, and is also super common as a blended drink. Sort of like spinach, there are a variety of reasons to implement kale into more dishes, as this is also a nutrient-heavy food used by dieters and people looking to find more protein in their diet. Kale is a good on-the-go veggie that can be taken as a blended option. Number 12. Lentils. You may have never known that lentils were chock full of protein, but that term may not even accurately portray just how protein-rich these are. Lentils hold a whopping 17.8 grams of protein per cup, which is why you'll see lentils used in many vegan and vegetarian options. Lots of people think of lentils as a way to move on from meat, and you'll find these in a lot of soup dishes. These are pretty affordable too, and so this is a great option for anyone looking to absorb large amounts of protein fast. Number 13. Pinto beans. Pinto beans are commonly found in Mexican food dishes like burritos, and are actually an insanely easy way to get more protein in your body. At 15.4 grams of protein per cup, this is a really good way of upping your overall protein numbers. If you're looking to build muscle mass quickly, pinto beans can be paired with other high-protein food groups in order to maximize every one of your meals. Number 14. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are one of the main ingredients found in hummus, and what makes that food such a good source of protein too. Chickpeas are also sometimes called garbanzo beans and contain around 14.5 grams of protein per cup. These are super easy to incorporate into your daily or weekly routine because they are found in such unique and versatile ways. Besides spreading it on bread as a paste, you can also add it into salads, soups, and other food dishes. It is used throughout the world, and so finding recipes will never be a chore to do. Here are 2 more videos you might find interesting. Feel free to choose the one you like. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos on health, subscribe to the channel.